Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Stripe virtual card. Let's begin. Once you have successfully created and logged in into your account, I want you to go to the search button, okay? And look up for issuing cards, okay? So most likely if it's not showing up, you can just type issuing and click on that specific result. Then we need to go to card holders. Then create card holder over here, right? Just fill out every single information that they require and make sure to select the correct country for this. Once you have successfully once you have successfully provided all of the information, click on create card holder. Then you can go back, click on cards, then over here, create a card. Okay. Now make sure to select virtual card because that's what we are after in this video. Then after that, you can successfully click on create. And that's it, you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.